Let's meet Jane, who grew up inspired by her father's dedication to aviation. Now, just months away from graduating from AIM, she's turning childhood memories into a meaningful career path. Her story highlights the power of hands-on learning, mentorship, and continuing a family legacy, showing how AIM supports students from their first lab to their certification milestones. Jane, tell us more.
Thanks, Alex. Growing up, I was always fascinated by aviation through my father's eyes. Watching his dedication and passion as he worked and went to school inspired me to pursue the same path. It became more than simply following in his footsteps. It became about continuing the dream he started and carrying forward the hard work, purpose, and passion he lives by. My journey at AIM has been incredibly rewarding. Before enrolling, I had no mechanical experience, so this field was completely new territory for me. From day one, the hands-on training at AIM played a major role in building my confidence. Applying what I learned directly to real aircraft helped me understand the material on a deeper level and made the experience feel real and meaningful. As I progressed, I realized how much I was growing, technically and personally. I've developed strong problem-solving skills, learned how to think critically under pressure, and gained a sense of responsibility that comes with working in aviation. Teamwork has also played a major part of my training, teaching me how to communicate, collaborate, and support others. AIM has truly shaped me into a stronger, more capable version of myself. The support I receive from my instructors has been instrumental. They've become mentors, guiding me through every step with encouragement and real-world insight. Their dedication helped me progress through my certification milestones and build the confidence I need to grow, learn, and succeed in this field. Continuing my father's dream means honoring his love for aviation and preserving a legacy built on passion and dedication. For my family, it represents pride and the values he instilled in me. When I graduate, I plan to work for an airline and continue his aviation legacy with purpose. Pre-flight checks complete, Alex. Sending it back to you.
Jane, your commitment to honoring your father's legacy is truly moving. Your growth from zero mechanical experience to passing certification steps with instructor support shows what AIM's community can do. Your family story continues through you, and we know your next chapter in aviation will make them incredibly proud. Thanks for sharing, Jane.